Siding is one of the most important features of your home. It defines the design and style, complements your surroundings, and protects you from wind, rain, sun, and snow. If the walls make a house, your siding makes your home. While there have been a lot of different materials used as siding over the decades, and many more new ones showing up all the time, one product has remained constant: Western Red Cedar. In addition to being a beautiful product to look at, Real Cedar is also naturally resistant to insects, decay, humidity, and temperature, meaning it helps keep your home cool in the summer and well insulated in the winter. What's probably the biggest reason for choosing Real Cedar is the wealth of options it gives you to create the perfect look for your home. Whether your preference is a sophisticated architectural showcase, a more rustic ski cabin or West Coast look, Cape Cod, or even a modern take on the traditional Japanese shusugi ban, Real Cedar siding is the one material that will cover it all. We're going to look at just some of the many looks you can design using the world's most beautiful and versatile siding material. All Western Red Cedar comes in a variety of grades, which can be divided into clear and knotty. Clear cedar comes in both vertical and flat grain, which is based on how it's cut, and it creates a very prestigious and contemporary look. Knotty grades show the wood's natural features, which define the visual characteristics of each board. Knotty Real Cedar siding is often used to design a warm and rustic look. You can see the different looks that clear and knotty create. Real Cedar also comes in a spectrum of siding profiles or patterns, and these will create very different styles for your home or building. Profiles include bevel siding, board and batten, tongue and groove, lap siding, or shiplap as it's often called, just to name a few. Many of these profiles can be installed vertically or horizontally and will create different shadow and line effects once installed. What's really unique to natural wood siding like Real Cedar is the different surface textures that are created, which is a feature that non-wood boards really don't have. Texture differences come from the way the boards are manufactured. This is a rougher headed texture, which is created in the milling process using roughened planing knives. Less pronounced are rough sawn or saw textured boards, which come from the blade marks of a circle saw or band saw. For a more sophisticated look, you could choose a surface texture such as these, which come with one side smooth and the other side rough. Once you've chosen the right profile and texture for your design, you can finish Real Cedar siding virtually any way you want. Real Cedar is pitch and resin free, so it takes stains and oils extremely well. What's more, there are some stunning new ways to finish Western Red Cedar now on the market. Products like bleaching stains and weathering products create the gorgeous silvery blue look of aged cedar, but add protection from UV rays and the elements. And texturing techniques and finishes can also provide a weathered or antique look to your siding. Transparent and semi-transparent stains will let the incredible natural luster of the wood shine through and highlight the grain. Stains like these will penetrate the wood and won't flake off or peel like surface coatings. A host of solid color stains can also be used to provide excellent protection against UV rays and water, but still allow the natural beauty and warmth of the wood to shine through. Many of the profiles here can also be found in engineered cedar siding, which is a category of newer products that's becoming more and more popular. Engineered cedar is made of either smaller pieces of cedar end cuts and the like that have been finger jointed and glued together. These boards come primed and ready for a surface coating. Other products have cedar substrate or backing and a veneer of clear Western Red Cedar glued on top. Both of these products are extremely stable and durable, and best of all, come in long lengths that are ideal for bigger walls and projects. With a natural product like Real Cedar siding, your options are virtually endless. What's more, Real Cedar is 100% sustainable, 100% renewable, and only comes from environmentally friendly and responsibly managed sources. For more information on what you can do with Real Cedar, visit us at realcedar.com.